Scratch out of this brand new Rolex. It's pretty brand new. I could feel the edges are so nice and sharp. Do you see that scratch right here? Okay, so go ahead and just remove the scratch. So it's in a really weird area. So we're just going to lightly kind of burnish it. And I think we're done. No, there's still some more. Are we done? Yeah, it's pretty good. Yep, pretty good. Okay, so from there, wow, that damn it even looks like the original polish, satin finish. So do you guys see that? It's removed without compromising the original Rolex finish. Look, it's still sharp corner, everything, without even changing anything. It's like magic. Yeah, actually, there's still a little bit of a scratch still. Oh, there it's gone. Okay. So now the scratch is gone. Do you guys see that? The scratch is gone. The scratch is gone. Okay, so now I'm just gonna lightly put the satin finish back on. I can put this on. I don't know what satin finish it is, but we're gonna hope for the best and hopefully it's the 220 grit. Oh, it's very nice. Very nice. Wow, that came out really nice. I'm even impressed. Okay, so this is as if nothing ever happened. Damn, that's good. So look at the TV screen, please. So I just removed the scratches from this right here, and all of it is nice and even. Do you see that? Do you see the fluidity on that, Yara? Can you see that? So without compromising any of the edges. No sandpaper, no nothing. That was done on a burnishing wheel. You see that, Yarrow? You see that? It's amazing. So that was done. That's a Rolex, you guys. It's a real Rolex. Don't mess around with the Germans here. And it's a brand new Rolex. I could feel how sharp the edges are, everything. So I used actually the fine scratch eraser, and I used the 220 grit in a 2-inch. So that was done on the JOOLTOOL polishing system, found at JOOLTOOL.com. We're here live in Germany, and we're at Beko Technics booth, and that's a Rolex. Thanks for watching.